Assalamu alaikum everybody. Today I'm going to show you a quick demo of our new Agentic WhatsApp interviewer, which can interview in Urdu, English, voice notes. It's very natural and it's adaptive. It keeps iterating questions to ask follow-up questions to get the information you need. This job was posted 3 days ago. 131 CVs came for an AI first full stack developer, 33 high matches, 82 medium matches, and 16 we won't even open. They are ranked from best to worst based on the job description. You can see we've shortlisted a number of them here. Let's look at one of the ones we shortlisted that we like. When we look at this one, you can see here, this is the job description on the left for easy access while you're figuring out if this person is interesting. There's an AI summary of the candidate evaluation. There's one paragraph here that basically encapsulates the entire CV as it relates to your job and its relevance. So it's very easy to understand, looks at the various skills, and overall tells you if that person is relevant and how relevant they are. We also dynamically create a checklist directly from the job description by extracting required things and nice to have. This is incredibly useful and lets you very quickly figure out what information is relevant here. For example, experience with 11 Labs voice AI tools, and 11 Lab tools explicitly mentioned in the technical skills project. I can also go and view the CV here, and you'll see how much more painful it is to manually review the CV the way I think we're all used to doing it. Imagine going through all these words and trying to figure out what the person knows and doesn't know. I can quickly also ask Rosina, does this person have experience with 11 labs, let's say? And now it will search through and figure out what sort of experience the person has, and it will tell you so you don't have to read. So it's very nice. There, Rosina says yes, this person has experience with 11 labs as mentioned under their technical skills, and also their work on conversational AI where they deployed a chatbot. And I can keep asking more questions. What company was this at? And Rosina will keep, like a good recruiter, will keep answering my questions. So this candidate worked at Invoatics Technology Partners from January 25 to present. And so now we know exactly where he did 11 Labs projects. Go back here and view the interview. When I view the interview, these are the interview questions that we had set up on WebRTC platforms, on experience, best way to reduce latency with voice. It's rating them. The answer is evaluated across the conversation to give you a summary of what the person says, and the evaluation criteria is also listed here. I can view the original chat involving that individual. This is, you can see the WhatsApp chat history of Rosina actually interviewing this person. A lot of these were sent in voice notes. We're showing them in text here for easy readability, but we're showing the original answers, which are in voice notes. So for example, in your experience, what are the best ways to reduce AI voice response latency? This was a follow-up question to the first one where we asked for low latency. The person answered, but it wasn't satisfied, so it asked a follow-up question, and you can hear the response.
So in a real-time voice agent, the biggest latency improvement comes from streaming the entire pipeline, speech to text and token by token LLM response, and streaming the text to speech instead of waiting for a complete output. I usually optimize inference using a lightweight or quantized model, so it's a small model instead of using an LLM.
And now you can see how much time I've saved, because all of the people that I had shortlisted here, these are the interviews that I had invited them for, and I'm very quickly able to filter people out based on the results of their interview. The final people who score the best, we actually invite in for a physical interview. This whole process took 3 days. It would have taken maybe 1 or 2 weeks to invite these people in and talk to them and screen them to the first level. And a lot of them would have been wasted interviews that we've already seen by a few of these interviews that we've conducted. So this is our new feature. We encourage you to explore them with us. We'd be happy to work with you to see if they solve your problems.